Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable silent notifications on your lock screen for the other messaging category in Snapchat. If you've been missing alerts or simply want to clean up your lock screen, this quick guide will help you take control of what you see. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you can manage all the apps and their notifications in one place. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Apps. This section shows you every app installed on your device. From here, find and select Snapchat. This will open a new menu dedicated to Snapchat settings on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on Notifications. This is where you can see all the notification options that Snapchat uses to alert you. Now, go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. Think of this as the detailed breakdown of all types of notifications Snapchat can send, from chats and stories to updates and more. Scroll until you find the section labeled Other Messaging. Under this category, you'll see an option called Silent Notifications. Tap on it. Inside, find and select Lock Screen. Here, your device will give you a few choices about how these notifications appear when your phone is locked. To stop them from showing up entirely, choose Don't Show Notifications. Once selected, these silent notifications won't clutter your lock screen anymore. That's it. You've successfully disabled silent notifications for the other messaging category on Snapchat's lock screen. From now on, you'll only see the notifications you truly care about without the extra distractions. This simple change can help you keep your lock screen cleaner, avoid unnecessary pings, and make sure the alerts that do pop up are the ones that matter most to you. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, take a moment to update these settings today so you can enjoy a more focused Snapchat experience without the silent clutter. Thanks for watching.